How's everybody doing today? Good, hopefully. Well, today I'm going to be taking apart the hydraulic cylinder on my Rhino 3500 series blade. Big old unit. The seal on the cylinder leaks. Too much to be using it anymore, that's for sure. A little drip turns into a damn puddle before you know it. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get these lines taken off. I already got it unhooked from the tractor, from the SEV. Let her bleed off slowly. Shouldn't be no pressure on it because the blade. Come on, little fella. I know you want to come off. Come on. One out. Oh, that one just sitting on there. Pen does move. Heck yes. That's what I'm talking about. Now I have to punch that out. It tried to move. That big, I suppose I could probably make one or something, but I'm just going to use a punch. Do the old trick. Give her some taps. See if she comes loose. Man, she's turning. There we go. The old Johnny Pop. Whoa. Old Faithful. Oh, cheap screwdriver. Dang. That's what you get when you use screwdrivers or pry bar. Especially El Cheapo. We'll try the other El Cheapo since it started moving. Yeah, it's moving. Oh yeah, there we go. Dual pry bar action, huh? I think. Come on. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice. Gonna work? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that nut. That's a nut. It's massive. Yeah, at least the ram will still work pretty good for this year. Now let's see if I can flip this. Papers. There we go. I'll bring you over there and show you, put these rings on, the seals in this, and then come back and put it out. But just want to go ahead and show how these seals go in and out. Clean this groove out. That in there. There we go. There we go. Oop, there's one. That's why I wanted to pop the seal out and then rinse it again. And the other seal in here. Use a little screwdriver to get that out. Ooh, that one's the crusty one. That's the one that's shot. Look at that. Good knit. Oh, look at that. Fell right apart. Yeah. Well, that's why. Damn thing was leaking. Oh, at least it came out clean. I can rinse it back off. And I did take the O-ring off of the outside already. We'll put the new ones on. Probably weighs 25 pounds, maybe more. Oh yeah, we're going to see what size this was. It's a 7-inch. It's a 7-inch piston. I knew it had to be, well I said 6, so I knew it had to be pretty close. It's big. Big unit. Let's see which way these going to go. Let's just start. There we go. Let's flop it on over. Good knit. Good knit. Hey. That was a it's like changing a tire. Jeepers. I'm surprised these things didn't break. Same, I'm gonna put it in there like that. There we go. There we go. Work it on around until we get to that spot. There it goes. Yep, because you can't put it like that. Nope, don't fit. Self-seat only goes one way. So that's easy. Fits in the groove good there. Oh yeah. Well, come on, little fella. Come on, little fella. Dang it. Come on. Come on. Oh, there it goes. There we have it. There we go. I'll go ahead and put the flat seal on and the O-ring this side, because the flat seal was in front because that's what was disintegrated, because it was one of those old nylon deals instead of this plastic rubber or whatever this stuff is, because it's kind of like a plastic. Yep, like that. And we'll go ahead and get the O-ring and it'll go right behind that. There we go. Perfect. Ah. See, got the flat one and the O-ring. There we go. It goes like that, so it's going to go on just like this. This is gonna be fun, I'm sure. Just work it on first a little bit. There it goes. There it goes. There it is. Oh man, that was tough. Damn thing's rolled a little bit. See if we can try a little tighter. I wonder where is the easiest to pry in at to pull it up a little bit to straighten it out. Lift her up. Come on. There we go. There. This unit back on. See if we can get the lip of this seal started. There we go. Partly. There we go. Alright. Spool off a disc. We're going to use that as the pusher hub. Spray a little lube on there. I like using this gel lube. Make sure this old spool is centered so I don't mess up my damn threads. That'll be good enough. I can push it on now. Yep. Not too bad of a deal doing it that way. That should do. Because really, that'll do. Tilt the back, see if it picks it up decently. Pick it up a little bit. Oh, yeah. That's what it goes. That's close right there. There we go. That's close. Let's go forward a little bit. Interesting. There we go. A nice tight seal right there. Oh, there we go. I did see there was a set screw in here. What else going on there? There we go. About tight. We're gonna have a spanner in this deal or whatever, sticking up these holes. All right. the old high guard hydraulic fluid. One gallon. There's the second gallon. Go for some more. Oh. Three and 3/4 roughly. All hoses should have swivels. Close. Close. Gotta come back just a little bit. Right there. That should be close. All right. Well, that concludes this video. So, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Have a good day.